On you! Alright guys, here we go. Banshee versus CR125. On you! Oh! Back the neck! Oh! I was really the man! Oh man! That was wild, bro! On you! Whoa! And I'm passing him! Bye-bye, CR! That was sick! That was sick! Whoa! That was wild! Hey, one more time! Oh man! Here we go, guys! On you! We both had a bad run! Oh, I need to work on that clutch action! Reeling the man, that's him top down. Good job, good job. On you. Oh, so close. And I'm top down. And I'm sucking them in! Wow! Hey! What if I tried it first? Let's do it one more time in first gear! I'm gonna try it in first because I feel like the Banshee's a little boggy in second. On you! Oh yeah, hung better! And sucking them up! Woo! Oh yeah! Here we go. First gear launch. On you. So close. So close. And I'll get him. It's hard to beat that CR. It's hard to beat that CR. It's hard to beat that CR, bro. Hey, man. It's hard to beat that CR on acceleration, bro. When a lightweight hops on what? The Banshee or the CR? Well, do you want to run real quick?
Your choice.
The dirt bike's just too quick, so I'll take the dirt bike real quick. So my little bro says, what happens if you put a lightweight on the Banshee? Because the Banshee, in all fairness, is 386 pounds or 400 pounds, somewhere around there, and this is only like 200 pounds, so I'm going in first. So we are going to give that Banshee the advantage because now it weighs probably close to the same because he is a lightweight. Here we go. On you! I can't compete. Can't compete. Try it again right here. Can't compete. I can't. Quad Nation does struggle with one thing, and that is I struggle with pavement runs because I'm so used to being on the dirt and just dumping that clutch at full throttle. It does take a lot more skill to release that clutch on pavement, releasing it at maximum thrust to where you're engaging as much as possible but not engaging too much where you flip back. So it is a work in progress, guys, but thank you for believing in me. On you! I'm gonna do one more thing. Let's roll on it. We're gonna roll on it. I'll get him on a first gear roll. If I'm already rolling, you better look out, little bro. Let's just roll. First gear. Go. Banshee doesn't have a shot. Whoa, that tells me something. I gotta start working on my clutch release on drag races while on pavement, because I just smoked him.